Right, hi everybody. It is the 12th of May 2023. Let's have a look at this week's trades of the week. We're going to focus on the D1 sniper strategy today. 5 trades this week. Actually quite quiet, to be honest. We normally have probably two and a half a day. We're on about 1 a day, I suppose you could say. Let's have a look at it though. I've run the scan here. We can see that on the left hand side. Now the ones are the trades setting up for tonight. So that's Friday night, Friday evening. These are the trades from before. So euro dollar was 4 days ago. NAS was 5 days ago and so on. So let's have a look at what those are. So NASDAQ would have been the first trade of the week. That would have been on Monday. So we can click on that and you can see the NASDAQ there. You can see the previous couple of trades and stuff, some really nice moves. But what we've got is a buying opportunity here. So that was the, say the 8th of May there. A really nice buy on the close. Remember, this is end of day trading. So the way you're going about this is there's a particular routine. Takes about 15, 20 minutes a day. You don't have to do it every day. It's when you want to trade. So some of our members are trading every day. Some are trading 1 or 2 days a week. Whatever it happens to be that suits you. The point is there are opportunities that are coming through constantly using this system. So what we have is a buy. Why do I know it's a buy? Because we've got the line changing here from red to green and the green outline around it. So the system's doing a lot of the hard work identifying for you a high probability turning point. Here we can see that this move has gone up in line with the daily trend, i.e. the blue line there, the weekly trend, the monthly trend, and there's an ascending chart pattern in place. So the market is ratcheting its way up. And also the momentum is positive as well. Okay, albeit overbought, but the momentum is pushing it higher. So you're in buy mode. This is a market that is ratcheting its way higher, and this is the next wave of that ratchet, if you like. So there's the buy. Close that bar. Not a good start for the day. The day after, that was Tuesday. Pull back a little bit. Stop loss is on this intersection. So you see where the line changes from red to green. That's where the stop loss is. So it came a little bit close, but it didn't make it. And then it's rallied on and it's gone through. It's gone up towards our objective. We actually put a note out about this one to close out the trade, take a little bit of risk off the table. So we made 112 points on this trade. That's the equivalent, given the stop loss, of 1.45%. So really nice trade there. It's a decent amount of profit on that opportunity. Really nice buy. Now we can look at euro dollar. So that was a short trade. So this is an opportunity moving back the other way. So you can see the sell trade there. Again, actually going away from us the first bar. It's okay. You know, this is what the stop loss is for. There's the stop is at 110.16 or so. So nice enough entry. We took 40 points out of this one and we closed out of that trade yesterday, so the 11th of May. So that was 40 pips. So that's the equivalent of 1.44%. So how do we know those numbers? Well, I can actually go through that with you now. So if I just quickly run this tool, TradeMate, this is what our members do. It's part of the routine. They sort of run the scan, have a look at the trade, use TradeMate to provide you with the starter target. You can go for bigger targets like a second target or, customize the targets sort of as you become more experienced. But a lot of our new members will start on this. It's like a good bite-sized, high confidence rated target. Set your risk profile, calculate trade details, and that's going to provide the stop, the objective, and also the stake size. Now this is based on spread betting because we're in the UK, but you can easily transfer this to a CFD trade size or margin FX trade size very simply. Anyway, that's gone on through to our target. The target was at 109.20. It's gone beyond that now by about 12 points. We're out. We've taken profits, and we're all good ahead of the weekend. So that's nice. 1.44% gold. A little bit of a bite-size objective. This one. So we had 3 new trades from last night. So gold giving us a nice profit there of 60 points on the short side. So that was pretty attractive. S&Ps, we're still in this opportunity at the moment, but it's looking excellent so far. We're currently up about 155 points on this one. So equivalent of about 1% on this particular trade. So that was quite nice too. That's a nice buy. Why is it a buy? Again, the line changing from red to green in line with this blue line here. That means the daily trend is moving higher. You're looking for factors suggesting the prices are pushing on higher. That's happening. Weekly trends up, monthly trends up, and so on. So there's a series of things that are saying the bias of this market is up, and now this is the next rotation up. So we're resuming that longer term direction. So really nice opportunity so far. I think, in my opinion, I think a lot of traders should be thinking about closing this out ahead of the weekend. You don't have to. Actually, sometimes it doesn't make a whole heap of difference, but I kind of prefer the idea of taking a little bit of risk off the table as you move into the weekend. There's a couple of days where something could happen, and the markets are more likely to fall more quickly to the downside than they are to rise to the upside. So either way, 1% is a really decent move on this one. But the real trade, the big kahuna this week is the Hang Seng there. So the HKG 33, it's actually 50 now, 50 biggest stocks in Hong Kong. There was the short trade last night. So what you're seeing is a market this side ratcheting down. So this orange line suggesting the daily prices are moving down, momentum's down, i.e. this line is red, and we've got a descending chart pattern. So we've got a series of factors saying actually this market bias is now kind of both ways. There's good opportunity for movement to the upside, but also to the downside too, hence a short directly after a long. There's the short trade from there, last night's close. Now, in terms of the stop and target on this one, let's go and put this one in as well. This is a good winning trade. A lot of what you'll find with these trades is that sometimes the initial stops can be a little bit wider than the targets. Certainly not the case with this one. This is a 3.7% winner. Really big winner on this particular trade, and it's already gone on a hit target. That's inside 12 hours. So we've made 3.7% within a 12-hour period of time, going through to our objective. So 19,630. What was the low? The low is 19,581. So it's gone about 50 odd points through our objective. Overall, 248 point profit, 3.7%. And for the week, that's an 8.1% profit on those 5 trades. Now, albeit the S&Ps is still open, that's 4 closed out trades, 1 that is still open. And if you were to close that off now, it'd be an 8.1% week, which, you work that out over the whole year, you're looking at some pretty significant potential returns. Now, this is a good week. It's a little bit of a quieter week, if truth be told, but, really nice for all of our Trend Signal members as well. Otherwise, everybody, happy you have a great weekend, and we'll catch you soon for next time. Bye-bye.
Our trading strategies have delivered a combined 90.1% profit already in 2023. Using them in April alone, you could have made £4,914 profit with modest stakes, trading as little as 20 minutes per day. To find out how you could be profiting with our strategies, book yourself into one of our free trading webinars using the Book a Webinar link below this video.